The Item Batch Module allows item to be controlled by batch numbers. To set item with batch number, first, create an item with batch number and maintain its opening balance. To do that, you have to go to Stock and create Stock Item Maintenance. Here, I will select item 123 and click Edit. Check the checkbox of Controlled by Item Batch and click Item Batch. Here, click on the plus sign to add batches. Add the batch number, and then the description. The manufacture date is the date of the manufacturing, and the expiry date would be the date of expiry. The balance quantity will be empty until we have configured it in Item Opening Balance Maintenance. So once everything is done here, click OK. Now to open balance quantity by batch, go to Stock, click More Stock Maintenance, and then click Item Opening Balance Maintenance. Here, filter the item code. Since we edited item 123, I will choose item 123. Click OK, apply filter. Then click Auto Generate Balance by filter criteria. Assign batch number and opening quantity respectively. Say about 100. Then click on Save. The balance quantity of item batch tab in Stock Item Maintenance will be updated automatically. To purchase item with batch number, go to Purchases and click on Purchase Invoice. Then create a new invoice and select Creditor. Then add a new item. Click on the arrow on the batch number to view the available batch numbers. If this is not the manufacturing date, key in the batch number, description, manufactured date, and the expiry date. Once done, click Add. Here, the newest batch number will be automatically selected. Then, key in the quantity. Key in the unit price. Then, click Save. To sell item with batch number, go to Sales and click Invoice. Then, select Adapter and add items. Since we created a batch number with item 123, we will select item 123. Key in the batch number. Then select the quantity. Key in the unit price. Then click Save. To view reports related to batch transaction listing, first go to Inquiry, then click Batch Number Transaction Inquiry. Then click on Item Code and click on Batch Number. Here, the related batch transaction listing will be displayed. You may double-click on the transaction code to view further details. For example, I double-click here, I will be able to view the purchase invoice. To view reports on expiry item batch listing, go to Stock and click on Expired Item Batch Listing Report. Here, you may define the filter, and then click Inquiry. Here, you are able to see the manufacture date, the expiry date, and the last sale date. To view batch details in Stock Card, click Stock and go to Stock Card Report. Then, filter stock item by the item. Once done, click Inquiry. Here, each of the batches will be listed separately.